towards signing an association agreement with EU and gradually integrate Republic of Moldova into the European Common Market. Yes, our citizens were granted visa-free travel into European Union. Even if we have achieved a lot of progress in trying to consolidate our democracy in transition, yes, I agree, over the last 6 years, we could have done more to open up the country's economy and its institutions. Yes, corruption still remains a problem which we are trying to tackle. Likewise, the Republic of Moldova is making all the necessary efforts to reintegrate the country. And no, there hasn't been any economic blockade affecting Transnistria region. On the contrary, Mr. Secretary General, as we are implementing the association agreement, we are trying to find the proper way to include the region as beneficiary of implementing the deep and comprehensive free trade agreement. It is true that despite years of disappointment, many Moldavians still hold great ambition for their country, and this is exactly why organizations like Council of Europe are more efficient when contributing to creating cohesion vis-à-vis division, when supporting democracies in transition, carry out reforms that meet international standards, and not hinder the state efforts in doing so. Even if it is hard for us, we are doing all our best to move forward towards the path of European integration, and we do hope that development partners will be our allies in consolidating our efforts in becoming a true democracy. I read with interest your opinion in New York Times on my country, and I must say that the timing for this opinion was not accidentally chosen. I believe that Moldova and Council of Europe have always enjoyed excellent relations, ensuring efficient partnership for the mutual benefit. I do believe we must also ensure a constructive dialogue despite the situation in the country, and mainly because the Republic of Moldova is a fully fledged member of this House. The progress made by my country during the recent years is very known by the relevant structure of the Council of Europe, especially after the implementation of a number of bilateral and regional programs for the Eastern Partnership countries. Mr. Secretary General, I would like to point out that the Republic of Moldova is a recipient country of regional security democracy, but at the same time, there is a will to change the paradigm into becoming a promoter of it. Thank you very much.